This is it! Morris, make me sneeze! Oh, I can't Morris. I can't take it back! You did it. Morris, make me sneeze. 1 goose, 2 ducks, 3 crows, 4 friends, 5 flowers, 6 feet, 7 peas, 8 eyes, 9 butts, 10 butterflies. The ant. This is the corner. Morris, make me sneeze. Or don't go to bed. The hair. Like the government, the cruise, Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, we're gonna because I can't mess that one. Squeeze, Morris got the egg shake of that. Go fun, don't go so Morris, make me sneeze. I'm gonna get the current. Screen. Find a good like look at the paragraph or with the brush. Oh, what's the good attention? No, the guy. What's the guy again? Oh, the Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, I'm gonna wear it. On your mark, get set, go. The race a car to get Morris, make me sneeze. What do we? We can't turn Morris, make me sneeze, or like something of the fun not to go to Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, no, good. Morris, make me sneeze. Or I can't for is what do when let's get the word good. Morris, make me sneeze. Or no. What happened? What the mother track? We do know the Morris make me sneeze. What stupid? Let's get the no make the Morris make me sneeze. Oregon forever. You could make Morris make me sneeze. Oregon not. Here you come. Oregon the Morris make me sneeze. Oregon the boy. Come back goodness, the last thing. It's gonna Morris make me sneeze. Oregon what doing? Looking in the face, take out forever, the lost forever. Buzz, what that in the one?
Baby.
And? What is it? What's the cat's name?
Anyways, Bootsy. Calico.
Quick, escape! Stickers! Oh crap. Pete the cat. Go, Pete, go! Round 1. You. Fight! No! That's good. Is that? What? Or I guess like dude, the Fly Guy play says sharks. Round 2. Fight. Morris, make a sneeze. Stop! Let's go. What's like a race? Let's go. Fly Guy and the freaking fly. Round 3. Fight! No, I didn't use what's that? Don't go to this quiz. Pete the cat. Too cool for school. Round 4. Fight! Morris, make me sneeze. What don't want to stop? What? Don't! Whiskers, Morris, make me sneeze. I don't wait. I'm just gonna wait with something. The goose. Round 6. You're welcome for the trip. Round 5. Fight!
On time, and you've got a kitty cat taking your place at home. You're not just not a boss, you're not even a good baby. So are you calling for help from a real executive baby who hasn't gone soft? Because I'm one of those. No, I'm calling to set the table for how breathtaking my victory will be later, and to get the last word.
Pete the cat. Robo Pete. Round 6. Fight. This is gonna hurt. Like here. Oh, what are the square? Pete the cat. Snow days. Round 7. Fight. Peter Cat, Scuba Cat. Round 8. Fight. Eat the cat.
This house first stays out for good.
What? That is an insane contest. Why would you even offer that?
You don't think I can win?
That's not what I'm saying. Meow.
I honestly can't tell if you're agreeing to terms or just swearing at me.
Meow.
I'll take it as a yes. Deal. May the cutest baby win. Jimbo, will you please stop petting the cat?
Let's go with Final presents the White House. Final round. Fight. Oh wow. Morris, make this sneeze. What are you talking about? There's gonna be lost the forever. No, I got it for face. You will go to her tomorrow. I got them. Listen.
You're both so cute. I don't know who to hug first.
Same time.
Baby, no.
Oh. Hey, Morris, make these knees. That's the goodness. Wait! No. What happened?
Timothy Templeton? It wasn't me, Mom. The kitten. Oh, the kitten was playing football in the living room? What? We'll discuss punishment later. For now, just go outside. You can roughhouse all you want out there. And take the baby with you. I don't want him around all this broken glass.
Outside? I lost.
Forget the stupid contest. You don't have to go. We can fix this.
No, Templeton. I made a deal. First out stays out. And I stand by my word. Bootsy Calico, I can't say I like you, but I respect a challenge well played.
Oh my God! Whiskers, no, Morris, make this knees, or squat the or Morris, make these knees, or the possible. I told you this is the word that I come to quit with Cooper. Oh, well, Morris, make these knees. I don't want to wait too good. You could top or toy are silver trap or not. There's a color. The Morris make needs or you go off of the way the office road or this what do Whisker Morris make these needs orographic or yes sake it is a cover just sacrifice Morris make these needs orographic you would to kill oversight the office Oregon instead Oregon it was Morris make these knees or we do talking about there's a good super overdone or you have to figure second you or queer or a creatures or did they think stop or not doesn't work it'll be a two what they didn't dare.
Now! First out, stay out. Boom! Still got it.
Did your plan happen?
Great, so where's gamers no wins 20 the scares where's